Hello guys, so today I'm again with my Arturia Microfreak, the synth I really love, the synth which worth every penny. It's pretty cheap synth compared to others on the market, but it has a lot of value to offer. So today I want to show you how I'm making the kick on this Arturia Microfreak synth. So let's start with initial patch and let's make it from scratch. Okay, now we on initial patch, let's make the octave down. So what we're gonna do right now, we will route the pitch to cycle envelope, which is here, and the mount we will do 100. Now I will select the envelope right here. I will select the desired fall, and now I will adjust the envelope. Now you can adjust the mount or the cycle envelope you want. Again, I will set the decay a little bit lower. You can experiment with the type of oscillators as well. So here's the Harmo oscillator, for example. Yeah, we can go to another one. The analog. It sounds super nice. It's more like a hardcore kick. And here we can tweak a little bit of the waveform and timbre. It's more clean right now, but it's pitching up when I'm increasing the wave. You can tune according to the track, I guess. You can set the desired decay of the kick. A filter. Okay, let's move to another oscillator type. Wave shaper doesn't sound so good so far. Okay, let's try this. Let's tweak a wave. Let's look where we can find something valuable here. Yeah, it sounds more clean. But the only thing what I miss here is the high part of the kick. Yeah, we can get a little bit of highs by setting the amount of cycle envelope, but it still sounds not the way I want. But yeah, you get the idea. Even the filter is totally open and sounds a little bit dull. Okay, let's move to another one. Yeah, I saw that some of the people they did the kick with noise oscillator, but for me, I don't know, it just doesn't sound the way I want. So if you find the noise oscillator useful for making kicks, so all is good, but for me, I'm not really sure. So I have already made my own preset of the hardcore kick. So I have in my own bank here. By the way, I will finish my own bank and I will upload to the website so you could download it if you want. I have other presets like psychedelic leads.